Okay people, we're going to be looking back here at one of our newest queens. This is over here on number 180 in the nursery. It had 5 capped queen cells on the 17th. And I've been checking them at least twice, 3 times a day here lately. But they were hatched last night or early this morning. And she was hatched by the time I got out here. She'd already had them cut down all of the queen cells. She was running around and doing good. They're over here drinking their water. They were a little anxious this morning for some reason. We'll give them some pollen and whatever it takes to make them happy. And this is at an angle because of that number 1012 hive over here. But y'all know most of my bees are at an angle anyway, my hives. Okay, this one here has some honey, some nectar, some pollen. Yeah, I don't see the queen on there anywhere. It has some old brood, so when the queen comes back, that'll probably be all gone. Might be at more of an angle than I thought it was. Maybe not. I was over here this morning checking them. One of the girls got in my veil, stung me right under the nose. This one here's got some pollen, some nectar, some bees. No queen. She was a pretty queen though. Big. I mean, she's not mated or anything, but they've got plenty of frames they can work on. This one here is just working on the frames for foundation rather. This next one here is one that had the queen cells on it. It had 4 on this side and 1 on this side. And it has some brood, some honey, some nectar, some pollen. Babies being born. This one here. I don't see the queen, but she was mated and cut all the queen cells out. A couple of queen cells they done cut down. She looks like she was hatched from the queen cell, it only had one queen cell over here, but it's opened up properly. So that's where I think she came from. But I saw her in here. She was running around. Actually, she was going after another queen cell when I got here, but by the time I got my everything, they'd had it worked on to where she was dead too. So it's probably early in the morning or late at the night. There she is right there. Right there. We'll just take her back to her house. Come on, girl. There you go. We're gonna go get her some pollen. Put her water back in there. Give her some nectar. And we'll come back in a week to see how she's doing. Then we'll come back in 2 weeks to make sure that she got eggs and larvae. And then if she got eggs and larvae, we'll mark her. Put that on there. Put that water back in here. We'll get them a food thing and put on there. Oh, there it is. You had one. We'll put that there, but we're going to go get the food and the pollen and the sugar syrup. And we'll put it in there, and then we'll put the top back on it. And that will be it. But this is our new queen. She was born, like I say, she was born on the 21st. Let's put it that way. I checked them last night, and I didn't see a whole lot of difference. But oh no. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that, because I did when I saw the queen. And I just want y'all to see it. But this is hive number 180 at the nursery. And y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share. Tell my bees you're doing good. And we'll talk with you later. Bye.